Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we explore another essential English word. Today's word is drink. So, what exactly is a drink? Well, in its simplest form, a drink is a liquid that you consume. It's something you swallow to quench your thirst or to enjoy its flavor. We use the word drink all the time in our everyday lives, and it's important to understand how to use it correctly. For example, you might say, "I need a drink of water," or "Would you like a drink with your meal?" Let's explore some synonyms for the word drink. Synonyms are words that have similar meanings. One synonym for drink is beverage. For example, instead of saying, "I want a drink," you could say, "I want a beverage." Here's another example. The restaurant offers a wide variety of beverages. Another synonym is liquid. We can say, "Drink plenty of liquids when you have a cold." A third synonym is refreshment. For instance, "This lemonade is a refreshing drink on a hot day" could be rephrased as "This lemonade is a refreshing refreshment on a hot day." Now, let's talk about antonyms. Antonyms are words that have opposite meanings. While it might seem tricky to find a direct antonym for drink as a noun, we can think about what happens to the liquid. One antonym concept could be solid. A drink is a liquid, and the opposite of a liquid is a solid. For example, water is a drink contrasts with ice as water in a solid form. Another contrasting concept is food. We drink liquids, but we eat food. An example would be "I'm thirsty. I need a drink of juice" versus "I'm hungry. I need some food." A third contrasting concept is dryness or dehydration. Needing a drink means you're not already dry. For example, after running, "I felt dehydrated and needed a drink" immediately highlights the contrast. Let's look at how we use drink in everyday life. Imagine you're at a cafe. You might say to the barista, "I'd like a drink, please." A coffee, maybe. Or if you're at home and someone offers you something, they might say, "Can I get you a drink?" You might reply, "Yes, please. I'll have a drink of water." If you're feeling unwell, someone might advise you to drink plenty of fluids. If you're celebrating something, you might say, "Let's have a drink to celebrate." Here are some more examples of drink in sentences and phrases. "She offered me a drink of lemonade." "He spilled his drink on the table." "What's your favorite drink?" "I always drink water before going to bed." "The waiter brought our drinks to the table at 6 p.m. After the workout, I needed a refreshing drink at 7 p.m. Please drink responsibly when you are at parties. That drink looks delicious. Can I have a little taste?" He bought everyone a drink to celebrate his promotion. A hot drink can be very comforting in the cold weather. "Could you please get me a drink from the fridge?" Having a drink of water first thing in the morning helps you wake up. "I enjoy a warm drink of tea after dinner at 8 p.m. Sometimes all you need is a nice drink to feel better. "That's too much sugar in your drink. Take a drink of water if you feel lightheaded." You must offer visitors a drink to be polite. "The drink was so cold it gave me a headache." He accidentally ordered the wrong drink. "She made a delicious drink with fresh fruit." I had a drink with my friends after work at 5 p.m. He always orders the same drink at the bar. "The drink was too sweet for my taste." She likes to add ice to her drink. He offered her his last drink. I accidentally knocked over my drink. She quickly finished her drink. He poured a drink for his guest. I think this drink is too strong. That drink looks really interesting. I always make a drink before I start my homework. So, to recap, a drink is a liquid you consume. We learned some synonyms like beverage, liquid, and refreshment, and we contrasted it with antonym concepts like solid and food. We also explored how to use the word drink in everyday conversations and phrases. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful. If you enjoyed this podcast, please subscribe so you don't miss future episodes, and please leave a review. Your support helps others find our show. Now, for a fun challenge, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word drink and share it as a comment below. I can't wait to read your creative sentences.
See you next time.